you can see, I am on my crappy YouTube channel with Savannah. Caitlyn, hi. So I'm just here playing Crashy Cats. This is my own electronic. We're not together at the moment. We were at a sleepover the time that we were there. Anywho, so I'm not here with Savannah right now. I'm actually in the car. I had to go to the dentist, which sucks, but anywho, I was car. And now I'm just kind of like waiting here for my brother to finish his dentist appointment. So I'm kind of just recording a video. It was fun. So me and Savannah are going to be doing more videos together. It's just we won't be doing as much together, but we will do videos together, which is a thing that we will always do. The next video that we will do together is probably going to be at my house. We're at Savannah's house, which is really crazy. I guess I could say. You're there. Sorry about these dumb ads. Soon I will be playing Minecraft or Prodigy. Whatever happens, whatever happens. Sorry. I'm just. Looks like I've been selected. I'm new at YouTube. I'm sorry if I'm not like the best fit for you guys, but just please watch, and we will grow. I hopefully we will grow as a YouTube channel. But anyways, we are not experienced at YouTube, okay? Stop it. Stop like saying all these rude things. Okay, just stop. Please. We are not the most responsible people for YouTube, but we are really trying to we're necessarily trying really hard to have a successful YouTube channel. Our first video was our intro, and it was a joke. We're not trying to get on this channel called Mr. Beast. Some people just found us as our intro, but please just don't like. It would be an honor to be noticed by a great man, but anywho, we are not here to be on Mr. Beast's video. We are not here for Mr. Beast. We're here to have a fun channel. We hope that you will enjoy our content that we do. I guess it's kind of like a thing that we have to stick on to, and if we ever grow as a YouTube channel, I suppose that we become hopefully a popular YouTube channel. Or at least a noticed YouTube channel by some people that we kind of inspired some people. I hope that could happen, but this is just a matter of fact. It's kind of weird being alone doing a video, but I've had experience with YouTube, so I've kind of gotten myself used to being alone. But emotionally, I think that we are actually pretty good at being YouTubers so far, because firstly, the quality is actually quite good on our videos. This is kind of like an actual responsible video for me, just kind of like get out things that I from my heart that I intend to say. But anywho, this is just I honestly, for some things, I know that some people say that we're bad at channels. We will get hate just like all YouTubers. But the thing is that matters is that we as human beings are happy with our content and how we are living our lives. And I just want to say before you write this disgusting comment that we are ugly, or at least I'm ugly and I'm bad at YouTube and stuff. How would you like if someone every day would start harassing you? On my old channel, I actually had to quit because of bullying issues. I used to make animations, matter of fact, and I used to make these animations, which I really loved. It was so fun, and I started getting these comments from people harassing me, saying like, "Oh, my 3-year-old brother can do better than that," and they would always get these terrible comments. And I hope that I can restart and with all this hate coming towards me, and please just think before you comment these terrible things that I have to hear every day. Sometimes every day. It's not fair. It's not fair. That's what I would like to say. Anyways, Savannah made Roblox videos for a Roblox Tycoon today or yesterday. Excuse me, sorry. Never let go. Never give up. In my honest opinion, I would say, please stop. If you're just going here to harass me, stop. I just want to say, stop. Stop being rude. You can talk to someone about this. You can talk to a psychiatrist. You can talk to a family member or a friend. Just don't kind of go other people that you don't know what they've been through about just talking to them. You don't know how they are really in general. Just don't do this to some people. It's very evil. It's an evil habit to say these things. Very evil habit. I would mostly say stop harassing people. And sorry, this is more of a responsible video. But I am just new at YouTube. We're trying out quality videos. We're going to be YouTubers of different sorts. Like play games, vlogs, or things like that. We all know how it is. I'm in the car right now, so I can yell as loud as I want, you idiots! Sorry, I sound really dumb and stuff. But if you want to leave a hate comment, really, please. But stop. If you want to bully someone, what I hate just what you think. If you want to harass me or my friend, just stop. I wouldn't allow you to do any of this. So this is all I want to say. Bye. So goodbye. I'm going to get killed by. Also, before you leave, really, please, if you would like to look at these videos, please like our videos. Please just subscribe to our channel. It would, you just watch some of our videos. It would mean a lot. It would mean a bunch to us, actually. And if you're just here to put us in a Mr. V's video, just stop for a second. Well, goodbye. Bye.